In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact in Gmail in 2025. This process is straightforward and remarkably efficient, and it's a valuable skill for anyone looking to organize their email communications seamlessly. By the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to manage your email contacts like a pro. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Gmail. Once you've logged into your Gmail account, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find a grid icon, which is often referred to as the Google Apps menu. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down list of Google applications. Within this menu, you'll see an option labeled Contacts. Clicking this will open Google Contacts, which is the hub where all your saved contacts are waiting to be managed or updated. It's also where you'll be adding new contacts today. Now take a look at the left-hand side panel within Google Contacts. You'll notice a button labeled Create Contact. Click on this, and a form will pop up, allowing you to enter the details of your new contact. In the fields provided, enter the contact's name and email address. It's essential to double-check the email address for any typos, since this will ensure your emails reach the correct person. You might also want to add any extra details, like a phone number or company name, helping you keep more detailed records. If you'd like to stay organized, consider adding labels to your contacts. These labels work like folders, allowing you to group contacts according to categories that make sense for your needs. Whether it's family, work, or another category, labels can save you time and hassle when searching for specific contacts later on. Once you've filled in all the information, simply click the Save button at the bottom of the form. This action will add your new contact to Google Contacts, making it accessible whenever you need to send an email in Gmail. Adding a contact couldn't be more straightforward, and keeping your contacts list up to date is crucial for maintaining smooth communication. It helps to enhance the functionality of your email by suggesting addresses when you begin typing, saving you both time and effort. Remember, in case you need to make any changes or updates to a contact's information down the road, you can always revisit Google Contacts and edit as necessary. Keeping your contacts accurate not only maintains professionalism, but also ensures that your communications are as efficient as possible. By taking a few minutes to follow these steps, you'll find that managing your email communications becomes a breeze. Whether you're keeping track of personal connections or business acquaintances, having a well-managed contacts list in Gmail will make your digital life much simpler. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.